Good, so this is how to change your temperature humidity probe on the Arisha temperature humidity sensor. You'll need a large screwdriver, the new probe, the old temperature sensor, and a small 1/8 of an inch flat screwdriver. First of all, you need to look into the ingress here, and with your screwdriver, I don't know if you can take a look, you need to push on the small fin here outward, and then on the other one here outward also. This will liberate the first stage, and then on the other side you can also push outward, so we have liberated the first stage. The sensor, the two sensor is here. That's the backup temperature sensor, and that's the main temperature humidity sensor. The main temperature humidity sensor is wired here. The four wire next to the battery wires. It's the white, red, green, and black one. So you push on top of the switch, the small terminal here, and you can pull the wire. And then you can unscrew the cable gland to make sure the wire will go through. But what you can do is to make sure the probe passes through the small hole, you can twist the wire together like this. You can keep them twisted. So the white one is the 2.3 volt. Make sure you don't have any stray wires to make sure there's no short circuit. And make sure it's all the way down to make a good contact. Next up is the red wire. I don't know if you can see here, I have a stray wire. This is very bad. It can mix up the signal. So if you have a stray wire like this, you need to undo this and then twist it again. Next is the green wire. And finally the black wire. I have a stray wire again. Okay. and then you can gently pull on each other of them to make sure there is a good connection. And we'll reinstall this thing into the holes. Okay. If you can check if there's a good connection and it's stable. And last thing, you need to pull this wire and close the cable gland.